All right, welcome. Welcome again to Learn to Earn, and we want to thank you for joining us and taking time out of your busy schedule to join us today on this eventful journey. So, without further ado, we're going to jump right into the very first lesson. Like I said, we're going to start at ground zero, and we're going to build upon that. We're going to establish a foundation as to what affiliate marketing is, and giving you some tricks and some other gems and so forth and so on. But again, this is our first lesson. Make sure you got your pen, make sure you got your paper. It's short, sweet, to the point. Let's get to it. First off, what is affiliate marketing? I know a lot of you are seeing this plastered all over across the social media networks and all of that other stuff. But let's just take a deeper dive and try to figure out what exactly is affiliate marketing, because first and foremost, it's not just taking a link and plastering it all over social media and scaring your family members and all that other nonsense. Okay, so we're going to break it down to exactly what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals such as us, who are known as affiliates, promote products or services or of other companies in exchange for a commission on sales or leads generated through their promotional efforts. It's a win-win arrangement where we as affiliates earn money by driving customers to the merchant's website. As you can see, it's a win-win for them, and it's a win-win for us. When that customer is driven to that website, they make a purchase, boom, the merchant wins, and then they break us off a little something. How does affiliate marketing work? Affiliates choose products or services they want to promote from affiliate programs offered by the respective merchants. How do they promote that? Affiliates utilize various marketing channels such as websites, social media, email, and content marketing to promote these products and services. Tracking. Unique, you're probably asking, well, how do they know who it belongs to? So this is what we're going to answer that. Each affiliate, for tracking purposes so that they know that, hey, that belongs to you when the sale is generated, is assigned a unique affiliate links. Again, these are provided to each affiliate to track their referrals and, most importantly, sales, because that's why you're here. You want to learn how to get that bag. Conversion. When a customer clicks on an affiliate link and makes a purchase or completes a desired action, depending on what type of program, like signing up or whatever, there's multiple types out there, the affiliate earns a commission. It's that simple. Payment. Affiliates receive their earnings according to the affiliate program's payment terms. So each affiliate program is unique and is different, but you could find the ins and outs that according to that, it's going to be in the terms. Why choose affiliate marketing? We're having some network issues. Give me 1 second. I don't know why people are trying to verify who I am. So, apologies for that. Why choose affiliate marketing? First and foremost, it's a low barrier to entry. In other words, it's a very minimum cost to even get started. In most cases, most of them are free. You don't need a large initial investment to start. Again, many affiliate programs are free to join. There's a flexible work environment. Affiliate marketing can be done from anywhere. A beach, because I know that's what a lot of y'all are dreaming about, thinking about doing this. You see them big bags and you want to retire someday and you want to be able to do something like this from the beach. I ain't mad at you. Again, it offers a flexible work environment. Affiliate marketing can be done from anywhere, allowing for a flexible work schedule. It also has passive income potential. Over time, well-placed affiliate content can generate passive income. Here's a big one. No inventory or customer support. I feel like Arsenio Hall with that long finger. All right, for those of you who know who that is. Again, no inventory or customer support. You don't need to worry about product inventory or customer support. That all of that is handled by the merchant whom you sign up with. All right? It's that simple. I'm not going to give you some drawn out thing about what affiliate marketing is. It's basic. In the meantime, if you want to know what affiliate marketing is, go back to the basics of what I just told you. That's it. Now, there's some ins and outs, and we're going to dive deeper. But to know what is affiliate marketing, I just told you what it is. Now, over the course, as we continue to grow this channel, we're going to break it down step by step. We're going to keep it simple. We're going to use a KISS method. All right? Because that's the way to learn. Just keep it simple. If you do things the right way, the money will come. It'll come. So if you don't have money now, what's the problem? What's the rush? Knowledge. That's what we call learn to earn. You have to first learn in order to earn. That's what people don't understand. I could tell you how to be successful. It's very simple, but you're not going to like the answer. Most people don't even like the answer. You have to learn in order to earn. I don't care what field it is. If you want to be a plumber, you just can't go into somebody's house taking all pipes loose. You're going to mess it up and be fired. You have to learn to be a plumber. You want to be a dentist? You have to learn to be the dentist. That's what separates the amateurs from the pros. Learning. All right, that's it. That's it for today. I'm not going to over-inundate you with too much. This is just basics. And then we're going to build upon it. We're going to give you more tools to put inside your toolbox. We're just laying the foundation on what it is today. But in the meantime, you got questions? I'm not online. GTS. Google that shit. All right? Because it's free. GTS, baby. Until next time, Google that shit. I'm out.